If goal mo then to live a healthier lifestyle and part of your plan is to regularly take apple cider vinegar, pero nahihirapan ka to take a shot or even a spoonful of one, this is the solution. This is Wellspring Apple Cider Vinegar Gummies. Yes, gummies meaning pwede mo siyang i-chew and take anytime. And it's in yummy apple flavor too. As in, hindi siya lasang vinegar or hindi siya lasang off na parang hindi mo rin kayang nguyain. As in, yummy apple flavor. So you will really look forward to take this as in like daily. This has been my solution ever since I discovered this. I am looking forward to take this every day kasi hindi nga siya mahirap i-take, siya masarap siya. Tapos, it also helps kasi ako constipated talaga ako eh. So, since I started taking this on a daily basis, I noticed na regular na rin yung bowel movement ko. And I also don't feel that bloated. And yeah, hindi na rin ako ganun lagi nag-crave ng mga random. Like yung parang gusto mo lang kumain pero di ka naman gutom. This also has vitamin B9 and B12. So more than taking the apple cider vinegar, meron ka ring vitamins na i-intake, di ba? Every time you take this. So if you wanna give this a try, and I'm sure you will love it, it's available here in like 60's bottle. 60 gummies na siya inside. And it's also available in 30's bottle as a smaller one. And if you really just wanna try and you don't have budget yet and you want to spend a lot yet, meron din siyang pouch na 10 pieces. So, perfect siya if to try muna kung magugustuhan mo. So, that's it. Give it a try. I'm highly recommending this. And I'm pretty sure that you will start taking this on a daily basis once you have tried it. Check out now!